Welcome to Vlogmas.
You're talking very calm for something.
Very calm. Today's been a rough day, guys.
Today's been crazy. We've been making something that should blow your mind. I mean, I hope it does.
I really hope it does.
I really hope it does, because if we will be really off base if it doesn't blow your mind.
It involved us being cold and wet. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
But today we have the funnest, easiest DIY basically ever.
So Christmassy.
La 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 la.
And very easy. So what we're doing is we're going to turn ornaments into earrings. So we have got these boxes. Will you just show the box?
Sure.
We got these at Target. These are just like 4 gold bells, and these are kind of like diamond shaped.
Yeah.
And they're silver.
And this box of 4 was like $3.
This was also $3.
And then we have these. We have these from last year, and they're like the cheapest.
Yeah.
And they're large, but that's a good time. Okay?
Yeah. So what you're gonna need are some jewelry tools. I'll definitely link to some. But we have like this mini set and then a big set. And I'll just link to it because you really need a set. There's 3 things that come with it. And you're going to need you'll need some jewelry finding. So you're going to need the thing that actually hooks into your ear. I'm going to pull one out to show you. We have a lot of jewelry supplies. We used to make jewelry, so we've got like 5 of these.
But it's pretty inexpensive. So.
Yeah, for sure. So you probably won't be able to see. There's no way you're going to see that. But this is literally just the hook that goes into your ear, and then it's got a little loop at the bottom where you can hook something on. But I actually think none of these. This one you might be able to do that with this one. But I think you're going to need a jump ring between this and that.
Yeah, I was like, I think I want it to maybe have a little.
Yeah.
And you could do anything. You could put, like you could, which I'm not going to, but you could build a string, have
like a chain.
A chain or something.
So they hang down and
yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's not how you do it the right way. Here.
You go like this, right? Like that.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's easier when you have 2 tools to use instead of like your finger. So you're going to grab both sides of the, what is this thing called? Jump ring. And then twist them away from each other.
As opposed to
to pulling it open and making a C. Instead of going like this, you're going like this. Okay. Because it's easier to push it back this way than to get it back in the right shape the other way.
Your instinct is to pull it like this.
And then you just put the earring piece on. And then you put the bell on.
Which she had a way easier time than I did.
And then you're just going to, reverse these back to each other. I need those other tools. I don't know where it is. There we go.
Basically, what I'm having a hard time with is getting this looped through here. Like, I really think looping this through here is not possible.
I see.
And I'm going to need the salvation of the Lord to come and take this away from me.
Do you want me to try it?
She did it. Of course she did. These would make great gifts.
Let me see. They're cute. Okay, these ones are a little more complicated. I have this little, I don't know if you can see this. It looks like a piece of wire with a little hole at the end. So I'm just going to stick that through
all right.
the top of this.
Casey just dropped her jump ring on the floor and she's going to start cussing.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend this wire up on both sides and kind of make it into a triangle. Can I use these?
Yeah.
I've just like created this little way to attach it to one of those earrings that Casey has. So I just put that piece through and made it into a triangle, and I just wrapped the end around part of it. It takes a bit of finagling.
Finagle.
Then I'm also going to need a jump ring. I'm just opening the jump ring, attaching the little piece that I created, and then attaching the part that goes into your ear. I don't know what that's called. And then closing the jump ring. Look.
Oh, I want to wear those. Sweet as snow and mistletoe and cigarettes for Casey to start smoking.
No. There we have 2 of these. I'm gonna put them in my ears, obviously. The thing about these earrings that's so fun, they're so movie. What's the word? They move a lot. I mean, they move a lot. So, and they're shiny. They're just very holiday.
Holiday.
And Casey makes noise with hers.
I can annoy all my friends.
Oh my gosh. I will say these are a tad bit heavy. Not like, does it look like they're pulling my ears down?
No.
Yeah. They're not, they're about as heavy as you would want an earring to be.
These are a little absurd, but fun times.
Those are really light. These, since it came with 12, you can make 6 sets of earrings.
If you couldn't do that math, Savannah did it for you.
Do you need me to do the other one?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so to do this ornament, we're cutting the tip off of one of the little, I don't know what you would call it.
Snowflake?
This is a snowflake.
Santa will wait and
Okay. I did it. Wait, what? There we go. Those are actually, could use one more jump ring so they don't turn, but
I see. Mine's not turning though.
it's probably because it's just so big. It'll probably be fine. Stick it in.
Here we have it, folks.
Those are so cute and fun.
This could be you.
Yeah, I'll get a little close-up video of this. Yeah, that's it, man. That's 3 different ways, 3 different ornament earrings you could do. Easy as pie.
Well,
yeah. You can do different colors too. We just were doing more.
Yeah, Target had those.
Yeah,
in
they had these
gold and like
clear teal, red, purple, like jewel tones, because it's like a jewel. But yeah, you could do all kinds of colors. We just kept it neutral.
Shoot, these
Oh my gosh. Let me see this.
a little much.
That's a little much. You know,
oh my gosh.
You know what I do want to do? I don't know where they are, but we have some disco ball ornaments. I think those would be cute.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So I'll see if I can find those. But yeah, that's it, man. It's easy.
Man.
They're
Lazy.
really easy. Would be really cheap to make. And it would just be a cute little, you could use it as like a present topper.
That's a great idea.
That's a good idea. Because it would look cute, but then also it's a pair of earrings, like an extra gift. And
2 gifts in 1.
2 gifts in 1. So yeah, make some earrings. I would love to see other versions of ornament earrings from you guys.
Deuce.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for freaking watching.
We have to run to dinner. Come back tomorrow. We probably won't have the DIY that we were talking about. We may. Maybe tomorrow we will have the DIY that we were talking about that we did today.
And we'll be so happy.
We'll be so happy. Don't get excited yet, okay? But anyway, that's it. We're rambling. Thanks for coming to our channel.
Okay, bye.
Bye.